Hello friends, it's Ella from Ningbo Pushing Manufacturer. Today I would like to talk about what affects the price of our RJ45 plug. There are two main points, I think. Firstly, the material. Nowadays there are three materials to make a plug: the PC, traditional PC, and new PC, and the zinc area. Zinc area now is the most expensive material now, and the new PC is cheaper than the traditional PC. Then, secondly, the type of category affects the price. The higher category has higher price. For example, Cat 7 is cheaper than the Cat 8. Follow us, more information I will share with you.